Hi folks, I'm James. Welcome to this video. I feel a bit remiss because I didn't do a video yesterday. I had some problems with my microphone and I've had to replace the USB cord. And I'll quickly update you on what's going on these charts very quickly as a sort of a stopgap measure so you get your fix every day. So quickly, let's go through. I'm going to take literally 5 minutes. Let's have a quick look. So natural gas, as you know, we're long from the green arrow. Bit of a scare on the last 4-hour candle, but holding up pretty well. I want us to break above this trend line, target back above all of this traffic above us through the order block and the 200 period moving average, above which I'll add some more size. We still have no positions on WTI oil. Although the long might be okay, I'm short of mind. I'm looking to sell into rallies rather than buy dips. We had quite a consternation with the PPI number just coming out a few minutes ago, super high. That's thrown the markets into a bit of disarray. Let's have a look. We got a dip on the NASDAQ and the S&P across the board, really. They've all recovered already. Now, if we are able to recover after such a dramatic, bad PPI, people are saying, well, it's a one-off, maybe not, I don't know. But certainly it's thrown the cat amongst the pigeons. But we did see the market selling off, bouncing right back. And if they are able to overcome that awful number, and if the analysts decide that it's a once-off, maybe these markets will recover. And if they do recover, that would be incredibly bullish overall for the markets. Let's go across to crypto. Big dip down in Bitcoin. Ethereum a little bit down to the 20-day moving average, sharp bounce. Right, so Bitcoin falling back dramatically, but just to the point of control, the support level, we added some more on there. Ethereum holding the 20-day moving average. And XRP just holding down through the 20, but trying to hold. So I think if we're able to hold on the stock markets, doing pretty well so far, and hold on crypto, these markets may just be able to shrug that incredibly bad news off. Right, so I've not changed my position, still long on the S&P, nothing on the NASDAQ, that one we got out of the other day, and long on many of these names. Swinging quickly back to the energies page, I've taken all of my profit on UEC now, and I'll be looking to buy dips. There's the 20, there's the 50, there's the 200. Ideally somewhere back into this double humped volume level. Same with URA, looking for a dip down to the moving averages, the 20 and the 100, and potentially the order blocks. Let's go across to softs and grains and so on. No changes here. We're still long on sugar, no position on cocoa, looking to get short at the trend line. Still short on coffee, looking to add some more at the channel center line over there. We went long on soya beans a couple of days ago after some sort of deal was made between China and Trump. Some were saying that that deal has no legs at all, but soya beans thinks maybe it does have some legs. We're still lit on LIT, lithium. That's holding up at this higher level. A little bit of a drop off today, but not much. Looks like an island. We don't want that to reverse. Let's hope it keeps moving up. We have a very good position on there from the green arrow. And wheat, we're still long, testing the bottom of this falling wedge. I think it'll hold, but it's testing a few nerves right down there. And then corn, the same sort of thing. Wheat and corn are the laggards really at the moment. And then finally on cotton, I still think this is a great pattern. Big double bottom down to the bottom of the channel, holding above the channel, moving sideways. Next move might be a sharp short squeeze. And finally on the VIX. The VIX had no reaction whatsoever to what went on today, lending strength to the idea that the markets may recover, probably will. VIX is not really budged at all. And we're now out of TLT. I took profits after the trend line break and not before it. Obviously a silly billy, really. But I got tired of that trade. We've been in that for months. And then the US10Y just ticking up a wee bit again. So all eyes are really on crypto and stocks and whether we can hold these levels. I forgot to mention gold and metals. We're still long on gold, long on silver, and long on copper. None of these metals or these cryptos will like the idea that we may not get a rates cut because of the very high PPI number. Have a great trading day, folks. Please like and subscribe. I hope you found this quick, rushed update useful. Speak to you soon.
Yo. It's James the Hedgehog. Spooky on the outside, hedged on the inside. He don't roll with the herd. He curls up, analyzes, and hits the trade with equality entry. Let's go! I'm James the Hedgehog, sharp with the spread. Spikes on my back, Bloomberg in my head.